Thanks for watching this video on whether or not you need a cosigner if you're getting a home loan and you have bad credit. Most people who are looking for home loans, if they have bad credit, see it as a way to build up their credit and also allow them to finally own a home and avoid just wasting money paying rent in the future. If you have bad credit, getting a home loan is not an easy process usually. It will require that you do a lot of research, you shop around, you get the best deal, you don't want to pay too high of an interest rate, etc., etc. And they're no different than a traditional loan or mortgage, except for the fact that they're designed for people who have less than perfect credit. So they'll have less beneficial terms and conditions attached to them than a normal loan that would be given to somebody that say has excellent credit, above 700 on their credit score. And one thing that most people wonder about is whether or not having a cosigner will help them get a home loan for bad credit. And the answer is always resounding yes. It actually will maybe even be necessary to have a cosigner on your loan if your credit is really poor and you're trying to get a large loan. If you don't have a cosigner with better credit than you, then you may still be able to get approved for a bad credit home loan, but the terms, again, will be much worse. Another thing to consider is before getting the loan, maybe wait for a year before trying to get your loan, and during that time, do everything in your power to rebuild your credit. So pull your credit report often and make sure you're paying down old debts, and make sure everything on your credit report is valid and there's not erroneous entries in there. So if you should try and find collateral or a cosigner if possible, or else you risk having to pay an arm and a leg and interest and a bunch of fees before you finally get your house. But if you want to read this full article and find out a little bit more, go to getahomeloanwithbadcredit.com, or you can click the link at the top of this video. If you want to learn more about your credit and how to manage it, and you want to get a comprehensive credit report and really start to repair and rebuild your credit, you can check out mycreditlocker.com. Or if you're just interested in identity theft stuff, identity theft protection, and being safe in that regard, check out scoredriven.com.